Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to write your academic paper in Notion using a free, professional template. Whether you're a university student or a busy academic, by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your paper quickly, make it look polished, and customize it to fit your needs, saving you loads of time and energy while keeping everything organized. Let's jump right in and set up your workspace together. First things first, we'll be using Notion's free academic paper template. Templates in Notion are incredibly helpful because they provide a structure right out of the box, letting you focus on your writing instead of fiddling with formatting. Plus, academic templates are designed with a clean, professional look, so your work immediately appears more polished, even before you start customizing. To get started, open up Notion and look to the top left of your screen. You'll see a drop-down labeled More Options. Go ahead and click on it. That's where Notion keeps all sorts of handy features to streamline your workflow. If you're new to Notion, don't worry. These menus are pretty intuitive once you start using them. Next, select Browse Templates. This is where you'll find loads of different pre-made layouts, and it's a real time saver. In the search bar, type Academic Paper. You might see a few different results. Or if you have a specific database or style in mind, like a master database, feel free to type that in as well. Take a moment to browse the options available. The goal here is to find a template that matches the type of paper you're writing, or at least gives you a good starting point. Once you've found one you like, click Add. Notion will immediately load it up into your workspace. Now comes my favorite part. With your template open, you'll see a neatly organized structure, usually with sections for your title, abstract, credentials, bibliography, and more. This setup saves you from having to remember every academic formatting rule, letting you focus more on your research and arguments. Begin by entering your credentials. This is where you'll put your name, your institution, the course, and any other details required for your paper. Think of this as filling out the header on a formal letter. It sets the stage for your reader and adds that touch of professionalism. From here, you can start adding your content. Fill in your abstract, introduction, and main body, just like you would with any academic paper. But here's something that's great about Notion. Everything is customizable. If you need to add images, charts, or even creative sections where you record your personal thoughts or inspirations for your research, you can do so easily. Maybe you want to use Notion's toggle lists for organizing ideas or embed references from Google Scholar. The template acts like a skeleton, and you flesh it out in a way that fits your own workflow. Don't hesitate to personalize your template. For example, maybe your professor asks for a special section, or you want to change the background color to make your workspace more relaxing. You can edit headings, rearrange sections, or add extra pages, all without losing the core professional style of the template. Customizing your workspace makes the writing process feel less intimidating and more like your own project. If you ever feel overwhelmed by too many options, take a breath and remind yourself, you can always undo changes and try new layouts until it feels just right. And that's really all there is to it. With your template set up, your credentials added, and personalized touches in place, you've created an organized, professional-looking paper that's ready for writing, editing, and sharing. Notion is a fantastic tool for both students and academics, making your workload a little lighter and your output a lot more impressive. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel a ton. If you have any questions about Notion or want to share how you customize your own templates, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And for more tutorials just like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Good luck with your writing. I'll see you in the next video.